one more update which is coming from inside the courtroom, as we have told you earlier about the updates, that is like the accused Bhimrao Kamble was also been presented in the court, and now the court has convicted Bhimrao Kamble, the accused, in the Nasrapur murder case. All the crimes under which the case was tried were proven. Two of the crimes carry the death penalty. The court is aware that one crime carries a life sentence and the other carries a 14-year of prison sentence. At the time, the judge made the accused Bhimrao Kamble stand in the accused cage and asked him to remember the incident and tell what is the punishment should be given to you. On this, the accused Bhimrao Kamble made up a story to the court and told that day I had taken the girl to eat Gati's shave. At the time, I slipped and fell. At the same time, the girl's head was also hit. I tried to calm you down, but still she was screaming. The accused also said after that judge told convicted Bhimrao Kamble, now what are you saying is history, but crime has proven against you. Even it has been said that what punishment should be given. Bhimrao Kamble did not respond the judge's question. The judge then asked him to sit down. Both the parties are arguing before the judge about what punishment should be given to Bhimrao Kamble, who has been found guilty. The government prosecutors arguing and have demanded that judge give the death penalty to Bhimrao Kamble. Bhimrao Kamble has been seen, no guilty has been seen on his face during when he was presented in the court. He does not deserve mercy also. He did a very disgusting thing to a girl who trusted him for 39 minutes. The court prosecutors have said that the medical examination revealed that Bhimrao Kamble had sexually abused the girl in various ways. The accused inflicted 18 wounds on the body of the little girl while sexually abusing her. Efforts are being made to make girls and women feel safe in the society. However, if such an act is done, an atmosphere of fear is created. Therefore, he should be given to the death penalty. The accused has done this act only for the lust. Pune Rural Police Superintendent Sandeep Singh Gill has also appeared in the court. The court prosecutors are referring to the similar serious cases of rape and cases heard in them. The government prosecutors have also expressed the fear that if the accused is not given the right punishment, the public's faith in the judiciary will be shaken. The government prosecutors have also demanded that the accused be given to the maximum punishment so that any criminal thinks 4 times before committing a crime. As we have seen that the day on the accused Bhimrao Kamble again made up a story to the court, and he was saying that he had taken the girl to eat ghati sev at the time and he slipped and fell at the same time. That was the past, and that was the history, because a crime has been proven against him and the court have asked him what punishment should be given. Now we have seen, we are bringing you the latest updates from the inside the courtroom and from the outside. Now, even the judge had asked Bhimrao Kamble what punishment should be given to you. But if we talk about the body language of Bhimrao Kamble, there is nothing. He's not even felt guilty, whatever the incident and whatever he have done for the 3-year-old child in Nasrapur. With camera person Ajay, I am Harjit Kaur from Pune Times Mirror, Pune.